Alright, today we're going to be shooting brand new Heritage Arms Rough Rider 22 revolver. And I have some CCI shot shell 22 long rifle for it. And we've got some clay discs set up. So I'm going to put a couple rounds in the discs and see what the shot shell will do. Alright, this is pretty much going to be intruder length.
It still hurt.
Yeah, that would hurt somebody up close. You could see the spray pattern.
Anything more than 25 feet, just.
Yeah, you got to be on top of somebody to shoot him with that. Yeah. It has hardly any kick too.
No. Feel the little ones. They even bounced off of this.
Yeah.
Shit.